Hello friend, I am Soumya Singh. Today I am explaining the CBSE 9th class mathematics. Let us understand some examples of sample paper of 9th class, which is very important for your paper point of view. Let us see some examples. Example number 1. If the measures of an angle is a 60 degree and the parameter of the rhombus is 48 centimeter, then find the area of rhombus. So for solve any question, you have to draw first a diagram. 50% question of your 50% question is solved by the diagram. So let us draw. ABCD is a rhombus. Let ABCD be a rhombus. Let ABC be a 60 degree. According to question, I have to draw ABCD is a rhombus and ABC is a 60 degree, and the parameter of and given parameter of a rhombus is 48 centimeter. We know that all sides of a rhombus are equal. Sides of the rhombus is equals to 48 divided by 4 is equals to 12 centimeter, through which we get a AB is equals to AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD is equals to 12 centimeter. And we know that triangle ABCD and AB equals to BC. This is the side of the rhombus, and angle BAC and BCA is equals to 180 minus 60 divided by 2 is equals to 60 degree. If you think that from where it comes from, so I can tell you that the side of the adjacent angle is always sum of 180 degree. So we get very easily, and this is a 180 minus 60, and bisector divides the angle, which bisector divides the angle in a two equal parts. So from where we get very easily angle BAC is a 60 degree and BCA is a 60 degree. So we can very easily know that this is a equilateral form triangle. We know very well that area of any equilateral triangle is root 3 side square divided by 4, through which we can very easily find that area of ABC is a 36 root 3 centimeter square. So for area of a rhombus, we have to sum of 2 square. So 2 into A2 we can easily find by multiplication of one triangle area. So we get a 72 square 72 root 3 square centimeter square. Let us see the second example. The volume of the cylinder is 750 pi centimeter cube and its height is 30 centimeter. Find the radius and the total surface area. So you have to solve any question. First you have to draw the triangle, draw the cylinder, and draw the figure, draw the cylinder according to question. The volume of a cylinder is 750 pi centimeter cube and the height is 30 centimeter. So first draw the cylinder, and this height is 30 centimeter according to question, and we know very well the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. So for pi, so equate both of these. 750 pi is equals to pi r square h. We get very easily a radius is 5 centimeter, and total surface area is the sum of curved surface area and the square and the sum of circle of top and bottom, which is 2 pi r square. So total we get 1100 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of a cylinder. Let us see this third example. From a point P 40 centimeter away from the center of a circle, a tangent PT of length 32 centimeter is drawn. Find the radius of the circle. First you have to draw. So I draw one circle and P is 40 centimeter away from the center of a circle, which is PO 40 centimeter, and the tangent PT of the length 32 centimeter is drawn, and we have to find the radius of the circle. We have to find OT. PTO is the right angle triangle where PTO is the 90 degree. We know very well. Tangent cuts it at 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem we can easily find that OT. OT is a 24 centimeter. We know very well PO square is equals to PT square plus OT square. From calculation we get OT is equals to 24 centimeter. Example number 4. If the parameter of an isosceles triangle is 64 centimeter and it is equal sides are 20 centimeter, then find the area of an isosceles triangle. So first we have to draw the triangle. Draw ABCD. Let ABCD is a triangle and this is an isosceles triangle. Then two sides are always equals and let AB and AC is the equal sides. And equal sides are the 20 centimeter. So here X and Y. So we know that according to question X is equals to 20 centimeter. We get a 20 and Y. And we have to given the parameter. And parameter is the sum of all the sides of a triangle. So X plus Y is equals to 64 centimeter, through which we get Y is equals to 24 centimeter after solving. And we know very well that the area of a triangle is the half base into height. Through the Pythagoras theorem we can easily find this AD. We through the Pythagoras theorem. So for height we have to draw the midpoint in the triangle. So midpoint divides the line into two equal parts. That's why BD is a 12 centimeter, through which we get the AD after solving by Pythagoras theorem, through which we get very easily AD is a 16 centimeter height and area is half base is a 24 centimeter. From where we get, let us see the first equation. Y is equals to 24 centimeter, half base is 24 and height is 16 and we get 192 centimeter square. Let us see the fifth example. The mean of the following frequency distribution is 8 and then find the P. We have given that X is equals to and frequency. X is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Frequency is 6, 8, 15, P, 8, 4. And Fx is 3 into 6, 18, 5 into 8, 40, 7 into 15, 10, 5, 9 into P, 9, 5, 9 P, 11 into 8, 88, 13 into 4, 52. So we get 41 plus P. The sum of the frequency is 41 P and the sum of the F into X is equals to 303 plus 9 P. We know very well the frequency distribution formula is the Fx, sum of Fx divided by sum of F, and we know mean is equals to 8, through which we can easily find P is equals to 20. That's all for. Thanks for watching. This is presented by www.intellify.in.